Like, okay. Old people didn't even look. You. Para lá.
So for clarification, I pull up behind the Subaru in the fast lane and he's going like 70 miles an hour next to another car. Now, mind you, I believe that the passing lane is for passing. If you're not gonna pass, get out the lane, but that's not what we're talking about right now. Then he proceeds to brake check me for no apparent reason. So I decide to go around him, and this is what happened next.
Yeah, he was coming to the jump. See? Oh my gosh, they grabbed him. Say, go, go, go.
It's not gonna go anywhere, just give it a I'll do one more wheelie for you guys. I'll do a wheelie for you guys, one sec. Those kids get so happy. What's going on, guys? Alright, my bad.
Don't let kids, my kids want to hit your throttle. Don't let kids do that, alright?
Alright, I got you.
You're out of your mind?
Oh, no. No, it's that they always hit me up on Instagram and want me to come through here for them, so I decided to come through today. I was just on my way.
Here, I'll guarantee I'll take you right off the...
But I got you, man. I'm just trying to be a good, you know, I'm just...
You're being so stupid. with this.
I'm just. I can control.
Take that out of here real slow.
All right, I got you, man.
I'm a stunner, dude. Trust me.
All right.
Just don't let kids push you around.
Can I go?
Go for it.
All right. All right. Sorry, man.
Nope.
Folk Fiat.